Yo, what's up, guys? This is Rids, your trainer for English. I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are learning with me. I hope you are progressing with me, guys. And as I had said in the last video, let me quickly recap the last video of mine. I had given you 3 strategies. Number 1, start using simple words in English. Number 2, start using small phrases, and number 3, start using small sentences. And I'm sure you have already started implementing the language, guys. So implementation is the key. You must just not stop. Let the world stop, you should not stop, and do not doubt yourself. Even if you are making mistakes, guys, it's all right. If anyone is laughing at you, it's all right. Take it easy, take it easy. That is the only way to be better at English, guys. Okay, do not doubt yourself at all. It's okay, just be into the flow of English, and that is the only way to gain confidence and to speak spontaneously, guys. The time is not far when you will speak spontaneously. Just stick to my 21 days strategy and you are really good to go to speak English fluently. Just stick to the strategy, guys, and that is it. You will master the English language with time. Now, today, again, you will with time you will also feel, guys, that you are not speaking concisely. Okay, concisely speaking means you are not using the appropriate words, you are not using the right words, and you are using unnecessary words. So it's fine, that is all later step, guys. Okay, so my today's point, today is the 4th day, and I just don't want you to have any doubt on yourself. That is it, just implement. That is the key. Do not doubt yourself. Whatever you are doing, just keep doing it. Just be into the flow of English. Whatever you are listening, whatever you are reading, whatever you are watching in English, make sure that you implement. You pick up something and implement. That is the key to move behind in English language journey, guys. And you will very soon feel some difference in you. You will automatically feel the vibration that yes, you are learning, you are picking up. And things do take time, guys. So do not be in a hurry, do not expect immediate changes. Things do take time. I There was a time when I myself was struggling in English. There was a time when I didn't know how to say thank you, how to say sorry. I knew how to say, but then I didn't have courage to say it to anyone, guys. So even I have taken my time a lot. I have taken a lot of time. So, and I always share my own experience with you guys so that I can encourage you guys enough to speak English. Okay. So for today it being 4th day, my only saying to you is just stick to the language, implement whatever you are learning. Do not move back. Do not take a step back. That is it. Thank you for now. Keep learning and keep progressing. English journey should not stop. And do watch my videos. There is another channel of mine you must follow for some writing practice. You can always do that. And do share my video with your loved ones. Let people get help in English. I always work on your reading, writing, speaking, and listening, guys. Okay, these are English basic 4 parameters: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. All these 4 parameters, in during my live sessions, I teach them all one after the other. I mean, they all are continued parallelly in my every session. Okay, so in case if you feel you are good enough to speak English, you just need live practice, then you can join my sessions, you can join my class. You got to fill up a form given in bio section, and you can attend a demo class. And if you feel, once after taking the demo class, you will know me more, you will see my strategies, because we will discuss a topic. Okay, and I'll be seeing your errors. I'll be observing them, I'll be correcting them for you. And if you feel that I'm good enough for you, you can definitely improve through my English, through my teaching. Then you can join my sessions. So here I thank you all for watching my videos, and thank you all for supporting me. Keep watching, keep promoting me as a trainer, and I definitely need your support, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.